reason we started this vertical in Ozone Excellence Consulting was because we noticed with several organizations, especially in this region, that they do not use the available technology to maximize their potential. A robust IT system is like the backbone of an organization. An ideal IT system would comprise of several elements: IT security, IT compliance and policies, data management, you would have user collaboration, and lastly but not least definitely is disaster recovery and business continuity. We at Ozone help you develop systems that address these specific elements of the IT system. We help you collect data and analyze it so that this data becomes information that can be used, and eventually store this data in such a way that you can search, retrieve or query it, and essentially it becomes knowledge to your organization. We've worked with a couple of clients where we've essentially helped them digitize their businesses. One example would be an architectural firm where we have tried to create a paperless environment and digitize all their processes.
We've been in the UAE market for 35 years. Before our interaction with OEC, we were using traditional paper-based processes. Over time, we had collected enough documents to fill 2 rooms. As the first step, OEC helped us digitalize all our data. They further created a collaboration platform to improve internal and external communications. Our engineers can now connect to our systems from anywhere in the world. This has greatly improved our efficiency and collaboration. And did I mention, our office is now absolutely paper-free.
We started our retail outlet in Dubai in 2010. Eventually, we expanded to 2 stores and anticipating further growth. Ozone highlighted the benefits of better control of our inventory along with the need to migrate to an e-commerce platform. Ozone helped us to digitize our system right from inventory management to ordering online via mobile app and website. We are very pleased with their expert recommendations, implementation, training and hand-holding throughout the complete project. Their approach is very methodical and professional. Thank you.